Hello everyone. Today I'm going to enable Opportunity Marketplace, and I've been seeing lots of people struggling to enable this successfully. So it's very easy and small steps that we will be following, and then we should be able to successfully enable that Opportunity Marketplace. Let's begin with that. So before enabling the Opportunity Marketplace, the first option is to enable the profile options. So the profile options. So I'm gonna show you what are those profile options. We need to make that enable first, and we're gonna go to further process. So the steps one. We are going to enable the profile options. So for that, we will go to setup and maintenance. We will go to task, click on search, and we will type here manage admin. So with this, we should be able to go to manage administrations profile values. Let's go there. So there are two profile options that we need to enable. So the first profile option is this. So we need to put these profile options. I'm going to put this information in the chat, so make sure you should be able to enable it. So here, this one is a yes. So this profile option has to be in as yes. And then we have another profile option which needs to be yes as well. I'm going to search as well. Yes, so this profile is also as yes. So we are good with the profile options. We have enabled it. Now we need to create the custom rule for the opportunity marketplace. For that, it's very easy. We will go to security console. We will click on create rule, and then we can put any name of the rule like opportunity marketplace. So I'm just going to get the name. So here is my name, here is my code, and make sure we're selecting the SCM jobs. After doing this, we need to go to the next and then add the privileges and the rule hierarchy which is required. So I'm going to add the first privilege is, one second. Yeah, so first privilege which we have is access internet candidate experience. I'm going to add this privilege. Another one, we have access opportunity marketplace. I'm going to add that privilege too. The next, we have used REST API service. So I'm going to add that too. And then next, we have this privilege. So we added this privilege as well. So there are 4 privileges that we need to add it to the new job role to access the opportunity marketplace. So all this information I will put in the chat. So make sure you enable it. Once you created the role, go to the user, assign any user for which you want to test. I have already assigned it, so I'm not going to do it here. I'm simply going to do save and close. So once we do save and close, we need to run certain process, which is really important. So I'm going to go into schedule process. And the first process name would be process name is this. So we have ESS job create index definitions and perform initial ingest to OSCS. I'm going to search this one. We search this process. Make sure we need to pass the index name. So for the first process, the index name would be this. So here is the index name. I just had it. We're going to come run the process. So the process is still running. I'm going to run another process. So the process name will be the same, but we will be passing the index names different. So the another index name would be fa-hcm-savedsearch, and after once we run this one, the process name would be same, and then that would be the fa-hcm-gig. Okay, so once we completing this process, we need to run the import user and security profile process as well. So which is this. So import user security profile, which allow or give access to that role which user going to have it. And after running this process, you should be able to log in as an employee or any user who has that opportunity marketplace and they will be able to see the opportunity marketplace option. So I'm going to log in as an employee to show you. So I'm logging in as an employee on that. Now you can see, I can see the opportunity marketplace. I'm going to click on that, and here it's showing the gig options. So you're going to just continue, cancel it. And here you can see all the open jobs are showing up. So this is how we enable the opportunity marketplace. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I'm going to put all those information in the chat, and feel free to ask any questions if you have.